Hello student, the sixth question from the puzzle. So here it is 16, 8, 4, 3 and middle is 1. Here it is 20, all numbers are less. Okay, so we can do like that. This number is larger than the other number, so we can do some mathematical operation here. So if we add the outer number, means this 8, 4, 3, 15 and 15, 16 minus 15, 16 minus this 3 plus 4 plus 8 means 16 minus 15 is 1. This is also possible. So here it is 7 plus 5 is 12. So 20 minus 12 is 8. It means this logic is correct. So here it is, we are adding this side, means this 20 minus 4 plus 3 plus 5 equals to 8. So similar way, 6 plus 4 plus 5 is 15 and this is the 18 minus 15 is 3. So we will go with the first option, A. 3 is the answer for this puzzle. I think it is clear. Thank you.